Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you how to balance a chemical equation. As you all know, in a chemical reaction, two things are there. Number one is reactant, and the other thing is product. Reactant is always written on the left hand side of the equation, and product is always written on the right hand side of the equation. The reactant and product are separated by an arrow. Now I will tell you I will tell you how to balance a chemical equation. Let's suppose an example of equation like C plus O2 gives you CO. Carbon and oxygen combine to form carbon monoxide. For this equation, how you will balance this equation? First of all, you have to look at the reactant side. There are two elements at the reactant side, that is carbon and oxygen. Similarly, at the product side, there are also two there are also two elements, that is carbon and oxygen. uh, Now we will look here how many atoms of carbon are there at the reactant side. Here is only one carbon atom, so you will write here 1. And if we look at the oxygen, there are two oxygens atoms are there. This is 2, it will mention it is 2. Similarly, on the product side, the number of atom of carbon is 1 and oxygen is 1. Now look here, here oxygen is 2 and here oxygen is 1. It means for balancing this equation, the quantity of oxygen at the product side must be 2. For this purpose, we will write here 2. After writing this, the quantity of elements is again changed. For example, the quantity of carbon is here is 2 and oxygen is also 2. Now, oxygen is balanced at both sides, at the reactant as well as product side, but carbon is not balanced. For this purpose, we will write here a 2. In this way, the carbon here is also 2, oxygen is 2, carbon is 2 and oxygen 2. In this way, you can see that the quantity of carbon and oxygen is same as the quantity of carbon and oxygen at the product side. It means now that you can say that this equation is balanced. Then you have to write like this: balanced. Thank you.